Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. If you don't have a MoneyLion account, we will put our affiliate link in the description below for you to sign up. But if you already have an account, just open the app by tapping on it. Once the app is open, you will see a dollar icon at the bottom part of the screen. Tap on the dollar icon. On this screen, you will see an option for Get Instacash. Tap on Get Instacash. Now, you will see a button that says Request. Tap on Request. First, select the request amount and the account from which the money will be deposited. Also, select the amount of tip. Although it is optional, they recommended giving a $3 tip. After that, review all the details. If everything looks good, tap on Confirm. That's how you get cash advance from MoneyLion app. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.